Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for December 26th, 2023. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, I am noticing we have these boxes with quite a few givens. These three boxes are especially interesting to me. They have givens that are clustered in interesting ways, but at the same time, I'm not seeing like an immediate, obvious thing to do with them. So I am just going to do normal scanning, and it should all pop out once we get there in the scanning, if there is anything. So we have two fives here looking in. This five looks up. So we do get a free five right there. It's the only place for five in the box. Let's follow up on that five and put fives down here, because these two look down. Well, if I can click right. All right. Eights, we have buddies up here. Two does not have a buddy, although two is interesting just because this is full already, so we get a 2 in one of these, which does look down, putting 2s down there. All right, I did the 8, the 5, the 2. Is there anything with the 7, 1, 3, or 5? The 3s. The 3s look over. These 3s look up. That puts a 3 up here. Doot, doot, doot. Okay, there's nothing to follow up with 3s because we had 4 of them looking into this box, and that's the place is the 3, but that's all we get. Nothing from the 7, 1, or 5, yeah. Okay. I'm just, while I notice it, I do see this 4 looking up, so let's just mark that 4 is here, and that 4 is here, which might come in handy later when we're scanning. I'm actually going to move on. I'm going to briefly think about this row, just in case there's a single in it. We need 2, 4, 6, and 9. Okay, the only thing I'm really seeing that's huge is that this is... actually, yes, this is not... I was going to say this one's not... These two aren't 6. But then I noticed from these quarter marks that I just did that this is not 2 or 4, which are just right there. So this is a naked single 9, because we have 2, 4, 6, 9 left in the row. And this can't be 2, 4, or 6. So that has to be 9. And then this is 4 or 6, and this is only 2 or 4. This is any of those, so I'm not going to mark it. I'm going to try to be a bit sparse on my pencil marks today, just to see how that goes. Maybe if it's less cluttered, I'll be able to find the more interesting things more quickly. It's an experiment. We'll see. I will miss naked triples if that's important for this puzzle. You never know. But we'll see what happens here. Okay, I think I got everything I could out of this band, so let's move on to the next band. We're looking for... Okay, the 1s have a buddy. So 2s are done in the rows, at least in the band. 3s, not quite interesting enough. 5s and 9s don't have a buddy. 1, 2, 8. Just looking to see if there's anything interesting about this 1, 2, 8, but all it does is put 8s down here, as far as I can tell. There's really not much going on here. I guess, okay, I'm seeing this 8 and 7, right? This cell can't be 7 or 8 in addition to what's in the box, so it has to be 4, 6. I mean, I'm gonna mark by value cells. Those are always nice. I'm gonna avoid marking try value cells if I can. Okay. I guess I'm gonna move on. Maybe there'll be something vertical. There's 2 7s looking here, so there's a 7 down here. These markings aren't huge. There's really nothing else. Nothing else repeats. So let's look vertically. Let's not dwell on things that don't help. We need we have 2 2s looking down, so there's a 2 over here. I'm going to think about this column just in case there's a single or a by value, because it only has 4 left. So we need 4, 5, 6, and 9. This can't be 5 or 6, so this is only 4, 9. I was scanning right to see about the 4, 9, and this 1, 7 caught my eye. And that's actually really huge. Because where do 1 and 7 go in this row? Wow, it's nice that just when I scanned, I happened to see that. But the answer is they can only go in these 2 cells, right? This is kind of what I would call geometry, where we would look at this whole 1, 3, 5, 7 here. We would say, oh, we already know where 3 and 5 are. So they all avoid this row, right? So none of these are 1, 3, 5, 7. That's the first thing. The second thing is we go, okay, well, in the row, we are going to need 1, 3, 5, and 7. Well, guess what? I found the 3 and the 5. They're there. But we still need 1 and 7 in the row. That's not 1, 7. That's not 1, 7. That's not 1, 7. And that's not 1, 7. And then these can't be 1, 7 because they share a box. So there are only 2 places in this row for 1 and 7. So that's where 1 and 7 go, which means that this can't be a 2 or a 4. If this was a 2 or a 4, then where will we put both 1 and 7 in the row? And the answer is both of them here. No, that's not going to work. So this can't be 2 or 4, which does place our 2 and our 4 here. That's why I said it was huge. That leaves 1, 7 left. Let's think about what these are. Actually, when I scanned down, did I find something else when I scanned down? Okay, I at least found the 2. This 2 looks up. These 2s look in. So there's a 2 up here now. It's because I just got that 2. Okay, I was like, how did I miss that before? But I just got the 2. Now the 9, the 9 is the same. Okay. I was going to say we needed 2 and 9 in this box, so this 2, 9 might be interesting. And they are, because we got this 2, 9 as well. And this 5, 3 are not 2, 9. So this is another hidden pair. It's a hidden pair for the box in this case. It works exactly like this 1, 7. These cannot be 8 anymore because they have to be 2, 9. So that's an 8. The 2, 9 pair looks left, giving us the 4 here. That's a 6. This is known, if I can scan right. Looks like it's a 4. And then this is known. Looks like a 6. Very nice. That gives us this 6 as well. This is a pair now. Might as well mark it. 5 and 7. Nope. 5 and 9. Yep. This is 1, 7, 9. Okay, this is all. Okay, the 9 in this box goes here, is what I meant to say. That's 1, 7. These 3 digits. Yes, the 1, 7 looks down. That places the 7 there. So then this is 4 and 8. And we know the order. Nice. That gives us this 4. All right, I want to fill these just because this box is almost done, it seems like. I need the 2 and the 6. This is a triple, and I'm going to break my rule just because we're down to a triple in the column and the box. So that seems worthy of penciling at this point. I need 1, 4, and 8. Oops, I meant to center mark that. Okay. And it's tucked away in the corner there. It's not causing too much clutter. But what I really want to do is, now that this box is full, I want to rescan this, and then now this is almost full, I want to rescan this. So did I even finish scanning the whole puzzle? I'm not even sure I did, but I'm not sure what else I would have gotten. We'll find out in a second. So we're looking at these digits, and they're always going to find a buddy. So the 4 needs to go in. Yep, the 4 needs to go in this box, which is there. The 1 we have marked. The 2s are done. The 8s we can mark here. Okay. Let's think about this row, which has 3 open cells. It needs 3, 5, and 9. So this is 3, 9 because of this 5. This C is 5 and 9. So this is the 3. That's the 9. That's the 5. Nice. There's a 2 and a 9 there. There's 3 left in this box. We need 6, 7, 9. The 6 goes here. So this is 7, 9. This is not 9, so this is 6, 7. I think this is any of them, so we won't mark it. Finished boxes, do we mark? I don't know. I feel like we're almost done with this puzzle, but I don't want to miss something important just because I think we're done with the puzzle. Let's rescan that. I said I was going to scan this. So we have 2 4s. The 4s look down there. Ah, yes, we can place the 4. This is not a 4. That places this 4, and we're done with 4s. Okay. All right, finding buddies. We have the 2s. So 2s are down here. We have the 9s are done. The 4s are done. 9, 7, 7s. Okay, these 7s look in. Oops. So 7's here. So let's think about these 2 cells for a second, because 1, 7, and 8 are gone. So 1, 2, we need a 3. This can't be 3. 4. So we need 5. I already know it's down to 2 cells. We need 5 and 6, and it can't be 7, 8, or 9. This can't be 6, so this is 5 and 9, I guess. Oh, wait, hold on. It can't be 6 or 9? Is this a naked 5? It can't be 1, 2. Oh, what happened to 3? Right, it's the 3. Oh, sorry, that already couldn't be a 9. I was misremembering what digit was excluded. So this can be 3 or 5, it looks like. It can't be, let's just double check. Can't be 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. In fact, this whole column is 1, 3, 5. That's not a 3, so that's 1, 5. That's not a 3, so that's 1, 5. Ah, it's not a 3 or a 5. There we go. So if I had just done the column, that would have been better. 1, 5, and 3. That's not a 1. 5, 6, 7, 8's left here. Oh, but let's do these. 9 and 5. These are 6, 7, 8. That's not a 7, so this is 6, 8. Two, 5, 6, 8. Not 5s. Ah, so 5 in this column is placed right there. Nice. All right. 6, 7, 9's left in this row. That's not a 9, so that's 6, 7. Okay, these 6s look down. That 6 looks down, so 6 is in one of these two. Do I have anything else to scan here? 9, 5, 4, 2. Maybe not. All right, let's look vertically here. We've got the 5. Okay, 5s look down. These 5s look in. That places this 5. 5s are done now. Nice. Let's actually look at this. This is not 7, so this is only 1, 6. I'm hoping to find some kind of pair or something to finish this, but we'll see. These are 2, 7, 9. This isn't 7 or 9, so we get the 2. This is now 7, 9. This row needs a 6. Remember, these 6s point down, so this can't be a 6. So that's a 6, that's a 7. This is now 6, 8. Oh, it can't be 6, right. So that's 8, 6, and 7. That's a 9 and a 6. Okay, it looks like we got it. This is a, up here, 1, 7. This is 1 or 6. Okay, at this point, I don't see how it's anything but penciling. 1 and 7. Down here, we need a 1 and 3. Okay, down here, we need a 2 and 8. Okay. Oh, is it this 1, 8? Yeah, this is an 8. That's a 1. That's an 8. We get the 2 and the 8, the 6 and the 2, the 1 and the 6, the 3 and the 1. And then here we need 3 and 9. And we're done. All right. Well, yeah, that puzzle was interesting because we started with all of these clustered givens, but it actually wasn't as easy as I thought it would be because we couldn't do a whole lot with them at the start. Actually, it seems like the major thing was this 1, 7 in row 1. Finding that 1, 7 in row 1 almost finished like all of this. Just that one move gave us pretty much all of this. And then it seems like the last thing I found that was interesting was the 6 in this row because of these pointing 6s here. Forced the 6 to be here. And then that just that cleaned up the puzzle. So yeah, not much beyond that. Let me know how you did on this one. Did you find this 1, 7 pair? Did you find some other way? Maybe you found it the roundabout way by finding this 2, 4, 8, 9 quad. Maybe this 2 and 9 being limited in this box was helpful in some way. Though I don't think we got this 2 until after finding the 1, 7. Yeah, finding this 1, 7 gave us this 2 and 4. And then once you had this 2, then you could limit the 2 and 9 in this box very nicely across this 5, 3. So yeah, let me know how you did on this. And of course, if you enjoyed this solve, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.